morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Welcome to Scania.
Thank you very much.
Everyone should watch.
Top speed. Yeah, but the same time you drive your
So far only in the mine.
Okay, so now we're going to do...
in Dar es Salaam.
Yeah, yeah.
How's the ambulances?
How many horsepower?
100 kilometers away from here, I saw the opportunity to build carriage. This is below of this of the landscape Skåne, from the which dated.
Scania Vans. 1913.
Yeah.
Okay. And this was the brake system. This one looks like.
Bosses could have something that reflected the company. So we produced that for a long time after the production, but it is the very last one. Exactly, no waste, no waste.
We
Right.
should produce another one of these. I would love to buy one. This looks like a military vehicle.
Here you can see.
We need to have a whisk so that we can use it. People
Okay.
can move in cars. So what they developed that was made for actually to close the exhaust pipe.